Okay, here's a short video on how to take a safe and sane Piccolo Pete and turn it into a firecracker where it actually blows up. So the trick is that since it's not gunpowder, you have to compress it to get it to actually do the blow up thing. So the funny thing is right where the caution is, if you put it in a vise and crimp it down right there, right at this sign right here, when this thing first starts, it'll do its whistle, and right when it gets to here, it blows up pretty much like an M80. You know, not too bad, but at least, you know, like over here you get fire. Can't do it out here. They're illegal, they say, for some reason. But these are actually legal. So you can actually turn all these into M80s. So that's my short video for doing this. Hopefully you try it and have fun. Happy 4th.